What up, y'all? Today I'm finna do some technical analysis on the stock IREN Limited. Surged 12% today off of high volume. So we usually start with the 12-month, the bigger time frame. The Bitcoin miner with strong data center / AI infrastructure ties. Okay. Shout out Yahoo Finance. We will be doing some technical analysis right off the bat. This is a pretty strong chart. I didn't like that wick. Didn't like this wick, but I did like the fact we closed over this thing high, aka the start. I do like, since we're bullish, or since we want to be bullish on the stock, I do like how we are in this range. That makes sense. We have not took out the high or the low. Usually, stock trades, candlestick on any time frame usually takes out the high or the low. That is, if not, closes like this, about taking out the high or the low of the previous candle. It is an inside candle. Happens about 99.9% of the time. So if we don't do that, okay, you might want to wait. And usually it'll take out the low or the high of this, and then it'll reverse. So if it takes out this high, let's say it closes like next candle goes up, it usually comes down. Same vice versa, man. It goes down past this without taking out the high. Boom. Takes out the high. Anyway. Range. Hey. Simple. Simple. Everything needs a premium and the discount. We did take it now. Been ideal to take a trade under 50% of this range. Got the range to here though. We're going to keep it at just a yearly range. Drop into a 6-month chart. See the inside candle. So it could either take out the high or the low or return. Takes out the high, it could return down the bottom. If it takes out the bottom first, it could take out the top. Not 100% of the time. Like I said, usually 99.9% of times. We can see this gap right here. Gappy. Hey. Hey. All this. But that's liquidity right there. Well, this is where you take it. You know what I'm saying? Monthly, that was a very nasty. Ooh. That's basically a wick, right? 3 months. That's a wick. Boom. Not strong. Okay, weekly. But this was the best time to buy right here. 39, but $4 difference. For to go up to $30 more. It's a good entry now. Oh, this is nasty. Fuck, that 12% surge today, bro. 13% surge today? It was 13%. Hell no, bro. That's manipulation, bro. Might come up to here. Might come to 46 by Wednesday, and then it should probably come back into this box. Look at this market maker sell model. Got liquidity. Box here. Really liquidity, man. Fuck here. It can go up or down, in my opinion. But I'm picking down from here. So I would wait for an entry rather than buying off this pump. Bullshit. Look at this. Damn. Ugh. Fuck. This is technically a gap, so probably can fill this red box right. Come down to 15, bro. You gotta watch yourself out here, bro. Pretty nasty. But you know, Bitcoin starts mooning. Well, I'm definitely watching this area right here. Little OB, big OB. OB, order block. That's right. Boom, order block. Supported good. So you can technically take a trade. Your risk is this order block. I would usually go this middle of it. If it gets below here, I set a stop at $35. I'm out. Risking what? $7. Make 30. Sure. It's a good biscuit to me, but it might not be ready. But if you don't want to miss the move, get in now. I don't think it's ready. I think it's probably gonna take out this low. I really don't know where. It could come down to $15. Because you gotta also keep in mind Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes up, this goes up. Bitcoin goes down, this goes down. Right? So anyway, I'm like 50-50. This is not a stock I would really touch. Depends. Like I said, what I would do if I would buy now, catch a pump. I don't here. We could pop the 50 bucks. We could. I'm iffy. I don't trade shit like this. Is just a guess. Said risk management is key. My stop's at 35 bucks. If it hits it, I'm out. That's simple. Anyway, like, so I'm gonna get my